Hi, this is INFINIX Hot 30i and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the control panel and here you'll see all of the available options. If you want to add here new options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit one, and here we'll see this just down section which icons you could add just by click on each of these pluses. To remove some of the icons from here, click on each of these red minuses. If you want to change the positions of the icons, just hold the icon and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to these three dots and tap to reset. To save the changes, go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.